Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Bose headphones to Bluetooth? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on headphones. Start by turning on your Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones by sliding the power button to the right. Step 2. Prepare for pairing. Prepare the headphones for pairing by holding the power button to the right for 2 seconds until you hear the prompt. Step 3. Enable Bluetooth. On your mobile device, navigate to Settings and enable the Bluetooth feature to begin searching for available devices. Step 4. Select headphones. Find and select your Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones in a list of available Bluetooth devices on your mobile device. Step 5. Confirm connection. Once paired, confirmation comes from the headphones with the message "Connected to" followed by the device name. By following these steps, you'll have successfully connected your Bose QuietComfort 35 to your device. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bose users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.